What's up, guys? Mike again. We're gonna tear the 4-bar apart on this El Camino today. Check the rod ends, clean the rear end up. We got the axle sent off. We got the third member here already. Got the brakes and everything we took off of the beater. It's a Yukon, 40 spline, 370 gears. It's a steel case. It's heavy. 73 pounds, as a matter of fact. It's what that center section weighs. Ridiculous, I know, right? So we'll get a little video taking this rear end out, and maybe we'll have a productive day. Well, we're well underway here. We got everything loose. This may fall smooth out. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully my makeshift stand will work. I don't know. Everything under here's got 25 years of grease and nasty. All right, coming down, maybe. Whoops. All right, piece of crap. And it's out. Little baby rear end. Oh, the grease. Everywhere. Stupid. All right, we got the rear end out. We are going to pressure wash it, hit it with a wire wheel, and we're gonna paint it. Probably pink. We got the bars out. All the heim joints are shot. They either got tons of play or they're froze up. I think I'm gonna take these up to, I'm gonna go up to Garrett Customs and see if he can't make me some out of chromoly and do the good chromoly rod ends. Things like that. As far as the rear end, I don't really know. Welded it there. They've had a hickey. It's been welded right there, maybe. I don't know, it doesn't look bad. Let's see, one side had a, yeah, right here, something was broke at one time. It's got a big old whoop knot on it, something. But, good enough for me. Anyways, that's all we're gonna do today. I'm hot. It's supposed to be the hottest day of the year. I ain't messing with it. I'm going home, watching TV, sitting in the air conditioning. So remember, like, subscribe, share, comment, all that jazz, and we'll see you next time.